Ever wondered how aromatic gardens could be a source of joy and therapy? Imagine stepping into a world where nature's fragrances are perfectly intertwined with therapeutic benefits. This is the magic of aromatic gardens. These gardens are a unique blend of sensory delight and natural therapy. They host a variety of plants that exude captivating fragrances, each with its own healing properties. Picture lavender with its calming scent, known to soothe anxiety and aid restful sleep. Or rosemary, its robust aroma is believed to boost memory and mood. And let's not forget mint, its cooling scent can help to relieve stress and promote relaxation. Aromatic gardens are more than just a feast for the senses. They can be a sanctuary, a place to unwind and let the stress of the day melt away. The power of these fragrances can have a profound effect on our mood and well-being. So, aromatic gardens not only provide a feast for your senses, but also act as your very own natural therapy center. Imagine having your own aromatic oasis right in your backyard. To start, consider your local climate and choose plants that will thrive. Lavender loves the sun, while mint prefers a bit of shade. Next, think about your fragrance preferences. Do you love the invigorating scent of rosemary or the sweet aroma of jasmine? Lastly, remember that proper plant care is key. Don't shy away from experimenting with different plant combinations. With a little effort, you can transform your garden into an aromatic haven. Cherish the joy and therapy of aromatic gardens. Remember, like and subscribe for more garden wisdom. Thanks for watching.